Now we are starting the revision of chapter number 9, that is service of internet. Okay, so basically you can say what is your first topic. Your first topic is your internet. Okay, now it is a very important topic. Okay, so we can discuss it. Okay, okay, now what is internet? Internet is basically it is a vast area and which where you can access the data from the web server. Okay, so you can also use for the research work. Okay, communication, listen musics, etc. Okay, now basically simple internet okay, internet is a very vast also, and you can access whatever you want. Okay, you can access with the help of internet. You can also communicate with the help of internet from one person to another person. Okay, and you can also save the time. Okay, and basically the main advantage you can say, you can use the internet your at home. Okay, at workplace, restaurant, etc. Okay, so simple, you can take the advantage with the help of internet. Okay, now next is your thing you can do on the internet. Okay, means which type of interest you can do with the help of internet. Okay, so let's one by one we can discuss it. Okay, now first is your stay informed. Okay, stay informed means what? Suppose suppose the internet you can access anything. Okay, any information from the internet. Okay, so you have to simple take the if you want to yes, if you want to valuable research tool, then you can take the research of this. Okay, so basically stay information is what? It is the access of information of any subject of interest. Okay, suppose okay, you have a interest in a newspaper searching, so you can search it. Okay, now next is your conduct research. Okay, now conduct research is also important. Means what? Basically you can research of any topic whatever you think. Okay, suppose you have to take the interest of India topic. Okay, so you go to the internet. Okay, search that topic and search that topic of the India. Okay, so you got the many interesting document from there. Okay, now next is your conduct research. Okay, conduct research is what? Basically it facilitates to search of any topic you think of this. Okay, so simple, that is a basically yes, whatever you can also use in a project. Okay, student, I think this is a repeated. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, next is your electronic mail. Okay, yes, it is also important. Electronic mail is simple what? You can exchanges the message from one person to another person with the help of internet. So you do not go here and there. You can sit in a single place and messages transfer to the other person. Okay, next is your entertainment. Yes, you can also use the entertainment with the help of internet. Okay, you can see the televisions, you can see the videos, music, etc. Okay, next is your program. Okay, what is the program? Yes, you can also use to your computer as a program. Means you can use the as a word processing. Okay, drawing pictures, games. Okay, drawing programs you can also use for the programs. You can say Excel programs. Okay, that is a programs. Okay, now buy and sell. Okay, yes, it is a very interesting topic, student. Buy and sell means what? Simple, you with the help of internet you can sitting in a single place or in your home, you can buy and sell your products. Okay, with the many websites. Okay, so Amazon, Flipkart, it is an example of, or it is a website. Okay, for buying and selling. Okay, you can sell the buying and selling, like you can say books, flowers. Okay, pizza, computer, etc. Okay, now next is your chat. Okay, now what is chat? Yes, it is a very important. Chat features is allow you to exchange the type messages with one another on the internet. Okay, so it is a possible with the internet. Okay, you can exchanges your message from here and there. Okay, so next is your socialize with other. Socialize is another simple, you can say you can discuss group on the internet. If you have want to discuss any topic, then you have to comes in a socialize with other. Okay, means discuss a topic around the around the world. Okay, of a similar interest. Okay, now next is your share information. Okay, share information means what? Simple, you can say Okay, if you want to share any document, okay, so you can transfer with the help of internet. Okay, so simple, it is a web to create the share informations. Okay, now next is your play online games. Okay, now student, you can play online games with the help of internet. Okay, like car race, okay, puzzles, etc. Okay, now next is what is World Wide Web. Okay, yes, it is a very important. World Wide Web is a, basically you can say it is a collection, or yes, it is a collection of information in a computer, or that is a also stored in a web server. Okay, so and web server is a what, it is a collection of the web pages. Okay, and when you are surfing or browsing, then you can access the web pages. Okay, now student, here are some assignments, and stay true and false. Okay, you will be study that. Okay, if you have any problem regarding that, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.